While we were lamenting the demise of the birds, Bird here actually wanted to lament the demise of forest and the trees. Of course, that's their habitat. Tree of life, water. Tree, life, and water. Tree of life, world. Tree of life, of wonder, tree of knowledge. Sacred deodar, cedar balm, water of life giver, baobab, tall banyan tree, shade giver, rivers of unending branches, water mirror, smooth birch, wisdom bark protecting layers, crowns of laurel topping. Wildness under sun's energy, sap rising, swaying, dancing, play of light, shadow, magic shows, rest, relief under fruit nourishing. O tree of life, clasp me in your branches, hide me, give Bird habitat. But Birdy Bird is dying. Oh, and Bird dies. Bird, don't die. Bird, he's hide me, save me from falling. Cure me with your potent leaves, O tree. Hurl me with your ash spear. Puzzle me in sycamore. Warm me at night, curved round in your beautifully carved shelter. Oh, home in the sacred grove of oak. The grain of strength, this planet, carving all over the earth, rings the strong book, pages of life, unfolding messages in poetry.